Olá a todos! Today we're going to talk about relative pronouns, words responsible for connecting information within a sentence used in place of a noun. In English, some are who, whom, which, and that. These words are used very often and in such simple sentences that we forget their importance. Do you know the equivalents in Portuguese? Do you feel confident using relative pronouns in Portuguese? After watching this video, you will see how simple they can be to learn and useful in your everyday conversations. If you enjoy my videos, remember to subscribe to my channel and leave me a like or a comment. It's a simple way to support my content. Bom, e agora, vamos começar! Relative pronouns, pronomes relativos in Portuguese, are used to refer to something we have mentioned before so that we don't have to repeat it again. These magic words can make sentences clearer and help us avoid repetition. Here's an example. Eu comprei uma casa. I bought a house. A casa é grande. The house is big. These two sentences talk about the same thing, repeating the word house. If we join the two sentences with a relative pronoun, we avoid the repetition. Eu comprei uma casa que é grande. I bought a house that is big. Pretty easy, isn't it? In Portuguese, relative pronouns can be variable, having to agree in gender and number with the word they refer to, or invariable, used in only one form. Let me walk you through each of the pronouns, starting with the invariable. Que, the most important and practical of all. Que means who, whom, which, and that. For this reason, it can be used to refer to both people and things. Que can be used with or without a preposition, even when it refers to people. Let's see some examples. A pessoa que conheci ontem era amigo da Teresa. The person that I met yesterday was Teresa's friend. O aparelho que está avariado não pode ser consertado. The device that is broken cannot be fixed. Ela é a arquiteta que consultamos para o projeto. She is the architect whom we consulted for the project. Quem means who or whom and is used only to refer to people. It needs a preposition before when used as a relative pronoun, but does not need one as an interrogative. If you want to know more about interrogatives, check out this video. Let's take a look at some examples now. A colega de quem te falei é de Viana do Castelo. The colleague who I told you about is from Viana do Castelo. A rapariga por quem o Ricardo se apaixonou chama-se Mimi. The girl with whom Ricardo fell in love is called Mimi. Lembras-te da professora de filosofia a quem a turma entregou ramo de flores? Remember the philosophy teacher to whom the class gave a bouquet of flowers? The pronouns covered so far were invariable, but in Portuguese we have one that is variable. Let's take a look. Qual, quais. Qual is the singular, quais is the plural. Since they are used with a definite article, it varies in gender and number to agree with the word it refers to. Qual, quais can be translated as that, which, who, and whom. This means they are generically equivalent to that or who, but must agree in gender and number with the word preceding them. Also, they are usually preceded by a preposition. They are used to refer to both people and things. O artista sobre o qual falei é muito talentoso. The artist whom I spoke about is very talented. A reunião para a qual fomos convocados foi adiada. The meeting to which we were called has been postponed. Os alunos dos quais te falei tiveram boas notas. The students of which I told you about got good grades. I hope you enjoyed the video and feel more confident connecting sentences now. Até a próxima!